severe thunderstorm was located near Orland by the sea, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour.
You make it no
Miles
signal.
per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baytown Beach, Ormond Beach,
I don't know.
Pine Hill,
Whatever.
Ormond by the Sea, and Ormond Beach Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud sequence
This thing went off.
occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Dang. Just complete silence. Yeah, dude, how? How is there... Bro, how is there an SVR? How? I'm saying how, because look. The SPS, well, hold on, which one is this? It's this one, right? That was like for northern, yeah. 40 mile an hour winds. And this SVR has 60 mile an hour winds for the same area. I don't know, but whatever. Good SVR. So yeah.